Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. The SB40K is the flagship model of the Panasonic beard trimmers. Depending on your needs, it may as well be the best beard trimmer for you, and we certainly think these are some of my personal favorites when it comes to beard clippers. And the first thing you will notice after seeing the pleasant design is the weight of the trimmer. At 2.99 ounces, the Panasonic SB40K is incredibly light and easy to maneuver. As a somewhat minimalistic person, I was also very pleased to notice that you will not get a big bag full of different attachment heads and guards with this beard trimmer. Instead, you get one high-quality guard comb that can be adjusted to 19 different lengths from the quick adjust dial, and the mid-80s is also one of the easiest beard trimmers to clean, as it's waterproof enough to clean under the faucet with running water, provided that you disconnect it from the electric outlet. The best part is the power. Panasonic has fitted this trimmer with a 9800 cuts per minute (CPM) linear trimmer motor that is strong enough to cut and groom even the thickest and longest beards. The blades are made from hypoallergenic stainless steel and come with a wide cutting edge and rounded tips, which allow you to edge out sharp and clean beard lines effortlessly. Adding in the fact that this high-quality beard trimmer comes with Li-ion battery and a dual LED display, there's really a lot of positives and not a whole lot of negatives that come to mind when looking at the Panasonic SB40K, one of the most powerful beard trimmer motors available. Extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver on the face. Easy to adjust the quick lock guard mechanism without multiple guard attachments. High-quality lithium-ion battery with 1-hour charge time and 60-minute trim time. IPX7 waterproof, allowing for effortless beard trimmer cleaning under running water. Can be used corded or cordless with universal voltage, 100 to 240 V, and travel adapter. Number 2. The Wall 9818 Li-ion Plus beard trimmer gives good competition to the Panasonic SB40K. In fact, before updating this article, I used to have this as the number 1 best overall beard trimmer for men. What makes it so good is the simplicity and ease of use with premium quality material selections. The 4-in-1 beard clippers come with a wide T-blade trimmer head, smaller detail shaver attachment, a mini precision detailer, and the commonly seen ear and nose trimming attachment. The stainless steel housing holds inside a powerful motor that can cut through with ease, and the Li-ion Plus battery gives out 4 hours of trim time with just a 60-minute full charge. There's also a quick charge option, with just 1-minute charge providing you 3 minutes of run time. Wall is the most used brand by professionals, and one of the areas they are often held in high regard is the blades. The 9818 Li-ion Plus comes with Wall's patented self-sharpening blade technology, which makes sure that your trimmer won't get dull even after years of use. Of course, no beard trimmer is perfect, and these clippers do have some negative qualities as well. One of these is the fact that it has no adjustable guard, which means that the trimmer comes with 12 different non-adjustable plastic guards. All of this extra guard storing and changing feels like a drag after using the adjustable guard of the Panasonic SB40K beard trimmer mentioned above. The best lithium-ion battery is available in the beard trimmer market. The sleek and minimalistic stainless steel design allows for smooth maneuvers. Self-sharpening blades won't go dull, and the high-torque motor prevents snagging. Has dual voltage international use, 110-200. Number 3. Braun is one of the most trusted beard trimmer makers there is, and their all-in-one beard, hair, nose, ear, and body grooming kit is impressive, to say the least. The trimmer itself has a really nice and sleek design, which holds in a powerful motor powered by an IMH battery, which is actually subpar compared to the lithium-ion alternatives, but still provides a nice 50 minutes of trim time per each full charge. The blades are high-end and as precise as they get. Braun is known for their quality in this area, so you can be certain this trimmer gets through thick and coarse facial hair with ease. Where this trimmer kit really shines is in the length adjustment options. With the guard combs that come in the package, 2 adjustable ones and 2 non-adjustable kinds, you essentially have 39 different length options to choose from, anywhere between 1 to 21 millimeters. The kit also contains attachments for contour edging, precision detailing, ear and nose trimming, and it comes with a Gillette Fusion Pro shaver that you can use for clean-shaven parts like the neckline and cheek line, or even the all-in-all. The Braun Beard Trimming Kit is one of the best medium-high price range facial hair clippers you can get, and it definitely deserves this high of a spot in our ranking. The electric trimmer engine is powerful enough to cut thick and long facial hair, one of the few all-in-one clippers that truly do what they claim to do. The impressive 39 different length adjustments make it the most versatile trimmer. Number 4. GMG 7750 Multigram. The trimming kit comes with an impressive 23 pieces for all the facial hair, head hair, and body grooming needs you might have, not to mention the fine detailing work, the ear and nose grooming, and yes, there's even a guard comb for eyebrow trimming. Many brands toss out the word all-in-one trimmer. The MG7760 is one of the few beard trimmers that can legitimately call itself such. Of course, the massive amount of attachments can be a negative quality for some users who would rather like a minimalistic approach with an adjustable guard, but to each in their own. Philips boasts that they use their best blade structure in the Norelco MG7750 with a patented dual-cut self-sharpening stainless steel blades. The blades are housed in a nice and light stainless steel frame that is detailed with an anti-slip rubber on the area of your index finger and thumb. Somewhat of a staple among higher-end beard trimmers is the use of a lithium-ion battery for power. The Norelco MG7750 is no exception, as its powerful Li-ion power unit can give you a whopping 5 hours of trim time per each full charge. For additional convenience, you can use the trimmer with the cord plugged in as well. The electric motor has plenty of power to cut through coarse and long facial hair, making the Philips Norelco MG7750 possibly the best beard trimmer for long and thick beards. The trimmer and all of its attachments are also fully washable, which is nice and somewhat expected by now, as most brands are forced to adapt to the new standards of competition. Powerful electric motor easily cuts coarse and long facial hair. The self-sharpening blades are precise and won't go dull even after years of use. The attachments and comb guards are sturdy, and the clamping mechanism is stable. Truly an all-in-one beard trimmer with attachments and guards for any grooming need. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.